me to want you the way that I want to. If you'd only let it be.
Isang container na halaman.
You told yourself years ago you'd never let your feelings show. The obligation that you made for the title that they gave.
Itong may-ari ng halaman, oh.